Hey, what's up guys? Today I receive Origin OS 6 update on my iQOO device. And in this video I'm going to show you after update Origin OS 6 new features and new changes. So let's begin. Okay, first look at this control center. Guys, control center now complete in glass look. Look at this, and if you tap on control center setting, you also set separate control center like iOS 26. Look at this. Or you go to settings, home screen and lock screen, system style, simply scroll, and if you increase rounded icons, now look at this, control center completely look like iOS style control center. So after Origin OS 6 update, control center completely changed now. Next, lock screen customization. Simply go to setting, simply go to home screen and lock screen. Look at this lock screen setting. Tap on edit lock screen and look at this new depth lock add after Origin OS 6 update. Simply enable or disable depth effect. Look at this font, colors, now go to wallpapers, select wallpaper, tap on customize, tap on clock, tap on custom, and look at this. And guys, you also expand size of lock screen clock. Simply tap on done. New depth clock on your device after Origin OS update. Next, look at these new widgets. New icons, Origin OS 6 icons, new wallpapers. Guys, look at these, all new wallpapers add after Origin OS 6 update. Now guys, look at this new Origin Iceland. Simply go to notification and status bar, Origin Iceland. Simply enable in all apps. Now let me show you how to use this Origin Island. Guys, look at this. If you share this photo direct from app with Origin Island, look at this, tap and hold, and you share this photo directly with in Instagram, WhatsApp or other apps. Now guys, you create new folders on app drawer. Simply tap and hold. Simply go to options, tap on manage, and now you create folders in app drawer. Look at this new folder. Now guys, new dock option also add after Origin OS 6 update. Guys, but this work on only in full screen gestures. Look at this. Simply go to setting, go to system management and tap on system navigation and first enable full screen gesture. Now simply go to home screen setting and look at this, the dock. Simply enable dock and now dock enable on your device after Origin OS update. Look at this. Dock. Now guys, 4:7 option add in home screen layout. look at this home screen layout 4:7. This option add after update. Now guys, new charging animation add after update. Simply go to home screen and lock screen wallpaper. Simply scroll, go to dynamic effect. Look at this charging animations. Now guys, new AOD clock also add after update. Look at this. Guys, look at this new depth clock. And guys, look at this new volume style. And guys, last, you change folder size on home screen. Look at this. Simply tap and hold, and look at this corner. You set 3 size, number 1, number 2, number 3. So guys, this is all new features after update Origin OS 6 on your iQOO device or VIVO device. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.